All right, so what we have here, real simple. Got your sneaker rag, all right, bag. Okay, got your wire, plastic and steel brush, all right, for different types of material. You got your all-purpose cleaner. All right, this is invisible all-purpose cleaner, no scent. It's diluted, 1 to 2. All right, here is the actual fabric cleaner. All right, and then here is the repellent. This repellent is amazing. All right, so basically you spray it on the shoe, let it take about 20 minutes to dry. All right, and then what'll happen is that it'll repel anything. It repels water. It's almost like putting a ceramic coating on your sneakers. The water beads up. It repels dirt and stains, oils and things of that nature. And if it does seem to hold on to the surface, then it can easily be wiped off with the all-purpose cleaner or the fabric shampoo. All right? So we're just still working on the labels for this thing. This idea, this complete mock-up. This right here will be available to the general public here soon.
So excited, can't no one mess tonight. I just want to go a little higher until I'm flying right beside you. I just want to know you, God, so I can shine and lift your light up. You're my only go-to, God.
Hello, sir. Your delivery, your first delivery of a Terraway shoe detail kit. I got you 3 bottles in there. I got your repellent, your leather cleaner, and your all-purpose cleaner. You got your 3 brushes right there.
You can do that too. You can put that black stuff on there to dye. And put it on your beard. Yeah, the repellents in there. Only thing I don't have is the serum. I don't have the model for that. I need the one like the cream dispenser top. I don't have any of those. I'm gonna get your bottle of the leather serum conditioner. And I'll have another little applicator for that.
Don't deal with the FOMO, fear of missing out. I think I'll be just fine if I don't go. I'll stay in the house.
I can forget about the fear of missing out. I can stay in the house, you are not chilling out. I think I get it.